What is up, loves? It's Nay Rose and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, what's up? So you guys, I'm about to show you guys how to create and slay the wet look using clip ends. So y'all know I showed you already how to do this look with your natural hair, but let's be real, some of our hair just does not cooperate, okay? So I figured let me show you how to do it with clip ends. Better Length does specialize in textured clip ends, so you'll be able to find one that matches your hair texture specifically. But yeah, so it came in this cute little bag, and inside of the bag it was protected again with a plastic bag. So just to show you guys, it comes with 10 clips. So there's 2 that have 5 on them, 2 of 4, 2 that have 3, and then 4 that have 2. So mine are the Kinky curly ones made for like 3B and 3C type hair, but like I said, you can definitely pick out the one that fits your hair the best. Now y'all, your girl is looking crazy, okay? Let's go ahead and state the obvious, but I know we all been in this position before. You got them old wash and goes, you take your bun down, and it looks like this, okay? We about to fix it, because this is unacceptable. So, I'm going to go in with my Aunt Jackie's half and half refreshing spray and just go ahead and spray that bad boy up, comb it out, and we're going to have a fresh start because we're not moving forward ignoring this. Like, nah. Okay, you guys, so now that we have a fresh start, it's time to get the foundation down. So I went ahead and put 5 braids in my hair. It's really up to you what size you want to do the braids. Mine are pretty medium size. And then in the front, I just did like a flat twist just to get that section out the way. But that is the section that I'm leaving out to blend in with my hair. And I went ahead and just bobby pinned the hanging pieces of my braids to my head. So before you install them, you do want to make sure that you wash them. So that's what I just did. And this is how it's looking. Super full, super bouncy. So this part is pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to just start with the shortest clip, of course, and then get wider as I move up. So once I get to the very top, you can see the technique that I caught onto kind of. I'm clipping it in between the braids. I found that to be way easier. And then for the very last one, I made sure to use one of the longer ones that has 5 clips. That way it can lay as flat as possible. And I purposely didn't put it right on top because I didn't want it to be lumpy or anything. I wanted it to lay down flat, so I kept it back just a little bit. So the clip-ins are still damp because y'all know I just washed them. So now I'm going in with my curling mousse by Design Essentials. I love curling mousses because they just can give you that more clumped together type of look. You don't have to use the one by Design Essentials. That's just the one I chose for today. I think when I did this style with my natural hair, I used a different mousse actually. So while I'm distributing the product throughout my clip-ins and my natural hair, I do want to go ahead and let you guys know, I got a discount code for you. So go ahead and use that if you guys are trying to get you some clip-ins. Y'all know, when I had my red hair, I killed these clip-ins. Like, I really love them. They're super helpful. Like, I done dyed them. I done did so many hairstyles with these clip-ins. Like, I know these clip-ins was probably like, sis, let it go. Please. I'm begging you. But anyways, y'all, I'm going with my Wet Line Extreme Gel. And this, do not skip this step, you guys. If you don't do nothing else, please use the gel because this is what's going to give you the hold, the shine, and just that ultimate wet look. And that is what we want for this hairstyle. Now, if you want to know how I do my baby hairs, definitely go check out the video of me doing this style on my natural hair because I show you how I lay my edges. But I'm about to go do that, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final results. So this is the final look, you guys. I hope this video was really helpful to you. And I meant to tell you guys, I used all of the clip-ins except for 2 little short pieces. So this is how full it looks and everything. Yeah, so you guys make sure you follow me and Better Length on Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.